3 best brokers for US stocks in Singapore. Buying US stocks from Singapore sounds simple until two brokers look equally cheap and only one still feels right after a few months. That is where most people make the wrong choice, because the real difference is not always the first commission you see. For Singapore investors, overseas trades can carry very different fee structures, and broker comparisons for 2026 still show meaningful gaps in cost and platform quality. And that is the detail we are holding until the end. The strongest broker here is not just the one that feels easiest on day one, it is the one that still makes sense once fees, FX friction, and platform depth start to matter. What actually makes a broker worth it for a broad Singapore audience? The best broker for US stocks usually balances reasonable cost, reliable US market access, and a platform that does not feel limited once you move beyond your first few trades. That is why this ranking is not just about the lowest headline number.
A broker can look cheap at first and still feel weaker later if the tools, research, or overall investing experience are too thin. This is general info, not financial or legal advice.
Number 3, Moomoo. Moomoo takes the third spot because it makes the first step feel easier than most. In Singapore, securities and brokerage services are provided by Moomoo Financial Singapore, which is regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, and its local pricing pages promote zero commission on US stocks and ETFs, along with free real-time market data and a low-fee app first setup. That is what keeps Moomoo in the final 3. If your priority is a smoother start and a platform that feels modern from the first minute, it makes a lot of sense. It stays at number 3 because the next two brokers usually feel stronger once you care more about long-term depth than just an easy first experience.
Number 2, Saxo.
Saxo moves into second because it feels more complete once you want a stronger investing setup. Saxo Capital Markets in Singapore is regulated by MAS, and Saxo Singapore pricing pages say US stock commissions start from $1, with access to more than 23,000 stocks across 50 exchanges worldwide. What gives Saxo the edge here is premium platform quality with local fit. It tends to suit investors who want better research, a more polished experience, and a broker that still feels serious after the beginner phase ends. It misses first place only because one broker still tends to give a better overall balance between cost and long-term utility. Number 1, Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers takes the top spot because it closes the loop from the beginning. The best broker for US stocks in Singapore is not the one that only feels easiest at the start. It is the one that still works once you have been buying US shares for a while and start caring about fees, tools, and room to grow. Broker Chooser ranks Interactive Brokers first for Singapore investors buying US stocks in 2026, highlighting low fees, wide product range, and strong research tools. Interactive Broker Singapore is also licensed and regulated by MAS. That is why Interactive Brokers lands first. For a broad Singapore audience, it looks like the strongest all-around answer: competitive pricing, serious investing tools, and the kind of platform you are less likely to outgrow too quickly. The broker that still feels right later. So if you want the clearest starting point, Interactive Brokers is the strongest all-around option. Saxo is the one to watch if you want a more polished, premium feeling setup, and Moomoo makes a lot of sense if your priority is a simpler entry point. The smartest move is not choosing the prettiest app or the loudest promotion. It is choosing the broker that still feels right once the real investing costs finally show up. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.